South Africa. They are not prepared to share with the majority of Black and African people. Go and
in Soweto today, I don't feel ashamed that I was banned by London and gave me an opportunity to spend a day with my people where I am well received, where I am well loved, where ideas do not scare people. We are not scared of ideas. That's why we will never ban anyone to come to Soweto. They must come here. We will debate them and we will defeat them here.
African people. Go and ask those who are in Oranje and in Kleinfontein whether they will allow Black South Africans to stay there. And the answer will be very clear, no. A couple of years ago, I asked that question.